Okay, we're looking at multiplication pairs here, and I think you can probably do these on your own, but I want to show you a few tricks for these different pairs because they're connected in some way. So let's look at the first one together. And first we have 12 times 8, and the way I would do that mentally is I would think, first I would think 8 times 10 is 80. And then I need to do 2 times 8. So 16. It's basically 80 plus 16 is how I do that mentally in my head. And the answer is 96. So what I want to show you here is one of the... One of the factors is the same, right? 8 is not changing at all. But the other factor is doubling. Okay, so if one factor stays the same, the other factor doubles, then the product simply doubles too. So if I just double this, I should have the same answer as if I were to do this just with multiplication. And I'm going to show you my mental math too. If I were to double 96, I would basically just think of 100 doubled is 200. And now this is 4 away from 100, which is why I went 100. So I need to subtract 4 twice, or 8. So it's going to be 192. That should be the answer. We can just double check to make sure. And I'm going to do partial products. So 8 times 20 is 160, and 8 times 4 is 32. So there it is. It works. So if one factor is doubled, then the product will double, as long as the other factor stays the same. So this one here should work the same too, because 15 stays the same, and 4 gets doubled. So my mental math for 15 times 4, I know 15 times 2 is 30, so 30 times 2 is 60. So that's how I do that one mentally. And then we can just use our trick, right? This doubled, this stayed the same, so this one I know is going to be just doubled, 60, which is 120. And if we really want to double check to make sure it's right, we have 80 and 40, and that is right, 120. So that method should work here, this one, and this one. But something else is going on here with this, because here, look, this factor got halved and this factor got doubled. So I wonder what that's going to turn out like. So 16 times 10 is simple, yeah? And then 32 times 5. Let's do that one the slow way. So 5 times 30 is 150. 5 times 2. Here we actually have the same answer. Okay? So if one factor is halved and the other factor is doubled, you're going to have the same answer. And then you're going to have 3 more to do on your own, these 3. And then the bottom part, just which one is not the same as 12 times 8. So that's it for this, and thank you very much.